kids are going to be in my backyard all the time playing basketball. I'm going to be in your backyard cooking pizzas. And I guess that is really the beauty of living next to each other. There's got to be some pluses. Our blocks are 450 square metres each. Something had to give, and unfortunately it was the backyard. In an ideal world, of course we'd want bigger backyards, but the kids have the pool, we've got the entertaining area, and
it ticks all the boxes.
It does, and it is what it is. When creating my alfresco, it was really important for me to create a space that we could use all year round. So out here I've got crazy pavers on the floor, and then I will have a row of cabinetry along here with a wood fireplace. Right here is where the outdoor shower will be. I was tossing up whether to have one or not. Don't think Lysandra is having one, so already one up for me.
Let's have a shower outside that we're probably never going to use.
Totally.
Because the kids are just going to come inside and want a warm shower in there anyway.
No. Pouring the slab today. Lysandra's teeny weeny little shed will be down as well. I love it how she says teeny weeny little shed, but you know what that means? It means my backyard's gonna be a little bit bigger than yours. You're trespassing. So welcome to my backyard. It is bigger than Elisa's because she's got a bigger shed than me. Her husband's gonna be mowing my lawns and all my maintenance really, so I don't need a big shed. I don't need to put anything in there. So I'm gonna have a slightly bigger backyard. So I'm standing in my alfresco area. It's really starting to take shape, as you can see. The brickies have been. I'm going for a bagged finish on the bricks. Here I've got my fireplace. So the other thing I really like about mine, and you don't have a fire in yours, do you? No, I don't have as much money as you. And something I'm really excited about is my pizza oven, entertaining, cooking pizzas. The kids are swimming. Love, 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 love. My arch pool. My curved pool. It's funny, Lisa's got arches all throughout her house and I haven't used one arch, and then we swap at the back and she goes a rectangular pool and I go an arch pool. And mine's bigger,
Let me just say why I didn't do that though.
Because you lose space in the arch, but it's so minimal.
Do.
It's not so minimal, and the pool isn't that big anyway, and I actually want my kids to have a bigger pool. My alfresco's really started to take shape. The roof is on, it's ready for cabinetry to be installed. We also had Aussie undercovers installed, ready for my pool cover. Here is my shed. I've gone the black colour because I'm going dark and moody, and then I will also have black panelling either side. Even though my style's Japandi, I still wanted it to feel like an oasis, but I didn't want to do your typical Mediterranean with the olives and the crazy pave, or even that with the banana palm. So I used the pear tree. I wanted to pare it back a little bit.
Such a loser.
So my cabana is finally been built. It's almost there, and my pool's been done and Elisa's hasn't. Mine just needs to be filled up now. Elisa still needs to be tiled. So something I have opted for that you haven't is the pizza ovens from Pizza Ovens R Us. I am a little jealous. It is actually the perfect afternoon for beer and pizza. No, pizza's on you tonight. Oh, you're going to be so jealous when you smell it from your house. No, I'm not. I've got a gate right there. I can walk through and make my own. And I can lock it too. Look, so far we don't have any regrets with the gate situation. I mean, who knows if that's going to change down the track.
You can always just put a padlock on it.
Oh yeah, true.
Yeah.
How good does it look? I think you are going to regret.
I'm not going to regret it
because I opted to go for a little bit of a outdoor feature with the basketball court for the boys. So I never thought in my wildest dreams that I would use artificial grass. You're judging me?
I'm judging you.
I'm judging me too. But I really wanted to create a really low maintenance garden. No better way to get the tradies moving with some caffeine hit. All right, coffee time.
Hey, legend.
What hippie ordered turmeric? Barry? Oh, that's it. I'm going to give him shit. Barry,
Hi.
here's your turmeric coffee.
Did you get it on soy with a bit of honey?
Can't forget the camera crew. So I have Luxaflex here today installing my Evo Magnatrack. It's an outdoor awning, which means in the summer it blocks out the sun and in the winter it blocks out the wind, which means I can entertain all year round. So I'm starting to get really excited for summer because Maddie Mac are here today installing our pool equipment. Let's face it, unless you're a professional athlete, nobody likes a cold pool. And this is why I utilised the Maddie Mac Pool Heat Calculator at the very start of this project, because I wanted to make sure that I got the right size pump for my pool. And as a bonus, it optimises energy and efficiency, which means I can use the pool all year round. Interesting choice, sis. On the roof, huh? I've saved so much space. My backyard is not quite as big as yours, so I've decided to put my Maddie Mac pool pump on the roof. So what happens if you're gonna need to go up on the roof? Well, luckily, Maddie Mac are made to ensure longevity, durability, and performance, so I never have to actually go up there. By choosing Maddie Mac's energy-efficient pool products, not only do you reduce your environmental impact, but also enjoy cost savings on your utility bills. So literally, my alfresco has everything. I've got the Atuzzi barbecue, I've got the integrated bar fridge, I've got the fireplace. I've really got everything that you need to entertain. I've got the pizza oven. We've got the Sonos speakers for parties. We've got the Luxaflex Evo Magnatrax, which you can pull down if it's sunny, windy, cold, and you can keep the fire in. It's all amazing. I love the Crazy Pave, but I love the Neolith cladded all on my barbecue area. I just think it's so seamless and it's so minimal, but it's so effective. I love it. And one thing you did opt for was that folding arm awning to go over your pool because
Yes.
Elisa gets the western sun. That extra protection when the kids are swimming. I'm gonna use that all the time. Bring on summer, I can't wait. I think my next favourite feature would have to be the deco wood along my fence line into my cabana. The curved shower wall. My day bed, which is better than yours. It is.
It's
Stop
wider.
looking like that.
It's wider.
You don't even
yeah.
know it. You're like,
I've got the shades though. That's going to be way better.
and we use a Unitex render, which we both used. We could have cladded it in timber, or I don't know. It's really minimal and it's like, and it blends in.
I think the render was a perfect option.
Kids are in the pool, the adults are sitting down, drinking a bottle of wine by the fire in winter, or cooking pizzas in summer. It's just, I'm really excited to have friends over and entertain. I'm looking forward to scoring this week.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I think I love the fact that mine flows so nice from the indoors to the outdoors. So we both decided to clad our pillars with brick, and then we bagged it, and then we painted it with a Taubman's exterior paint. We could have just rendered that, but I just think that that bagged brick look just created that little bit of texture, that little bit of focal point, and yeah, it tied everything in really cohesively, didn't it? So Lysandra copied me again and she used the same pool tile that I used. I used a white mosaic, pool tiles from Beaumont Tiles are like, once again, one of those things where we've gone dark and light, but we're still able to use that same materiality and they look so different in each of the spaces. We have been living in rentals for the past few years. Now I wanted to do something really special for the boys. I opted to go for the basketball court instead of something, that I would use. That gate is going to get very, very well utilised. When the ball goes over the fence, which no doubt it's going to happen all the time, they can just go around and get the ball themselves.
Yeah.
So I'm not like a hoarder like Elisa is. So
Please, that was my husband's request, not mine.
she has a bigger shed that was custom built. I didn't need that much storage. So I got a prefabricated shed from Olympic Industries. It's sleek, it's black, it looks perfect in my backyard, and it was super easy to install. All right, time to score each other. It's hard because I like mine just as much, but yours has a few extra features in there.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Let's go.
Yeah, I think that's fair.
I think
If it wasn't for your curved pool, I think that's fair.
you're right.
Next time on the Design Joy series, we tackle the centerpiece of the home and take on the living, dining and the kitchen. My kitchen's massive. I actually don't know what I'm gonna do with all this space. I might have to start cooking or something. Make sure you follow us on Instagram at Elisa_Lysandra and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on all things Design Joy related. The Design Joy series is proudly brought to you by Luxaflex.